Hey guys, it's Alex Z. We're still in Miami, beautiful Miami Beach, South Beach. You know, enjoying our life, as you can enjoy it as well, as what I'm gonna tell you right now. We just, came back from the boat. We spent awesome day with, the company leadership with both Daves on the boat. Everything was included, everything was paid for. We're shooting new videos for the new blogging platform that's coming out real soon. So that's why it's so important for you guys to get positioned before the masses gonna just flood the gates. And as we were on the boat, we just made another $3,000 commission while we were having fun, while we were chillaxing, right? We were just, having food, having, conversations with other people. I checked my email and boom, the power of personal business assistant, right? This is what I told you about. People that close your sales while we were having life, having fun. Our business, in the background generated another $3,000 commission. So let me show you guys. If I go to my email right now, let me just show you on my laptop, the proof, because some people need to see the proof. We're gonna go to my Gmail and you're gonna see, let's see if you guys can see my laptop. Right? That's not a $3,000 commission, right? That was just like 1 hour ago as we were on the pool. So people that are skeptical, I understand, I was skeptical too. You can just, make money online 24/7. That's what I thought. And by the way, this is the hotel room, beautiful hotel room we're staying in. Compliments of Empower Network. They flew us first class, guys, first class, and this is the room, the suite that they paid for, right? We stayed here for like 5 days, right? This is how, this is what royal treatment is all about. I mean, if you're sick and tired, like if you're in a company that doesn't appreciate you, it's time to make a decision, right? It's time to make a switch for better life and start having life while making money, right? Instead of grinding, being on the phone, doing three-way calls all day long, doing hotel meetings, all that nonsense, guys. Come on, I've been there, we've done that. It's too hard. It doesn't duplicate. Okay, what duplicates is simple message that we've been telling you. I've been telling you for the past 20 months that if you focus, right, and you follow direction, simple steps every day, you're gonna have results. And with having personal business assistants that close your sales, that's a child's play, guys. It's so easy, it's not even funny. It's a child's play. So, at this point, we generated part-time. I started part-time outside my full-time job. We generated over $400,000. I think it's slightly over $430,000 at this point. And part-time, having full-time life, building business part-time. Start working smart instead of working hard. That's the message. So this is my e-wallet. I'm going to show you in a second. This is how much money, this little $25 program generated, right? That's $321,000. That's the payment that's due next week, right? So this is, life-changing income. We're not saying that you're going to have results like I do, but, my teammates experiencing success. Michael Martin had $6,000 a week just a week ago. Another teammate of mine just had $600 a day. Imagine, just making an extra $3,000, $2,000 a month. What is that going to do for your family, right? You'll be able to breathe, right? You'll be able to travel more, right? You'll be able to do things that you want to do for your kids and buy toys that your kids deserve, right? And, you can travel, you can go to Miami, and I don't know how many times we traveled already this year. It's kind of crazy. My wife is here on the balcony here. I don't know if you guys can see that beautiful beach, that Miami beach, that sun. Guys, look at that. This is beauty, right? This is beautiful. This is the lifestyle you want to have. Make a decision, anytime you can make a decision and just join forces with us, right? You can start as low as 25 bucks. And if you want to go all in, you should go all in if you want to make money that we make, right? And use personal business assistants that will close your sales. Imagine waking up and having $1,000 a day or $3,000 a day like we do. You're gonna quit your job. You're gonna do what you love to do every day like we do. So we're about to catch the plane, guys. We need to fly back to New York. and see our kids. You know, can't wait to see my kids. And you know, just click the link below the video, just join, and you know, start experiencing this lifestyle. I'll see you guys on another video on the inside of the team, and wish you tons of success, guys. Take care. Bye.